Man, the air smells stale in here. We gotta do something about this. The Fragrance Central turns your HVAC system into a facility-wide scenting solution. A single unit
that brings fresh, consistent fragrance through every room your airflow reaches. Installation is simple. The unit mounts directly to your ductwork without rewiring or annoying structural changes. Air from your HVAC system meets air from a long-lasting fragrance cartridge and distributes clean, even scent. Cartridges slide in easily, with no liquids to measure and no daily maintenance. Just replace it when needed and your entire building stays fresh. For facility managers, that means no more chasing odors room by room. No scattered devices to refill, just one centralized system controlling how your building smells, reliably and quietly. Fragrance Central, whole facility scenting powered by the air you already move. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out the Fragrance Central and more.